Hello everyone, you're welcome to our weekly Forex forecast for July 13th to the 17th. We had some good moves last week. So analysis for last week go according to the PIP. We saw good moves on the GBP We analyzed a bullish run for GBP and price hit exactly the TP, the take profits is set for the pound dollar, for gold, uh, not quite for some of the other currencies because we had to take some change in stance based on the daily price action. This video I make is for educational purposes. Just a reminder that you need to get sound economic forex advice to put your money out there to invest in the forex market. With that said, if you're new to this channel, I would like you to click the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I bring out new videos. And if the video is beneficial to you, I'd like you to hit the like button and share amongst other platforms. And with that said, let's quickly go to the charts for the week. Now, for this chart, for this week, on my radar, I'm looking at the GBP USD right now. Like we said for last week, we're expecting the bullish run based on price action. Now, based on where prices have gotten to, we saw price get to the 1.2669 area. We didn't see a break and close above that, so we didn't shoot for the next take profit, which was at 1.2765. But basically, what we have here, what price action has shown us here, we had a bullish run upwards and we had a week telling us price was rejected at this level. So basically for this week, I'll expect a retracement downwards, first of all, and see if we can retest the highs here. But we can get a clearer look at that when we look at daily. Now, on the daily, what I have here, let's look at it clearly. What we have here, looking at, we've seen Friday and Thursday this past week, we had two dojis, and with 2 weeks at the key level there at 1.2665 handle. And basically for this, what we expect is will be prices wanting to go down to the next key level of support. It's at 1.2535 area. So basically, what do I expect market to do on Monday? I'll zoom into the 4 hours to look at it. And for the 4 hour, what we have here, basically, we can see that price has given us a double top here. And our closing hours of Friday give us this long week here. So basically, for Monday, I'll be selling the pound US dollar, and my level of the next, my take profit will be at the next level of support at 1.2535 area. Of course, we keep a stop loss above the high here, which is at the 1.2663 area. So we can sell this to this point. If we have a break and close below this, we'll look at prices coming a little bit lower to the 1.2480 area. That would my take for Monday. Let's look at the pound Canadian dollar pair. Now, for this pair, let's quickly look at the top-down analysis as I usually do. We had a very bullish candle, uh, just like I predicted for the week. We saw the price gave us a new high. That's for 2 weeks ago, based on the range we had here, and we look forward to a little bit of retracement, pullback, and buy way up into the um, resistance areas, and we found that price kept breaking and closing above that, and took us to the 1.72 handle. Now, with what we have here, we still have that same um, projection around these highs. So I'll be expecting price to pull back a little bit into the 1.7035 area before we look forward to seeing any bullish movement on this. We could zoom in to get a clearer picture of this also. So we can still see that we have something like double top here, telling us price is most likely still going to sell to this area. But my bias for the week, basically what I can see market doing now is this retracement. If we have a break and close below this, then we'll be aiming for the 1.68 handle. That's this area, this zone. But basically, what I'm looking at is seeing prices get to this point. We'll check if we have a reversal, any reactions around here. We'll look forward to see price go back to retest the highs. And if we break and close above that, we'll be going up as much as the 1.74 handle. That will be for the pound Canadian dollar pair. The next pair we're looking at is gold. And for this pair, let's look at the weekly. Just according to what we predicted for the week, but we were surprised go far above the 1801 area. Price got as high as the 1818 handle and was rejected around that area. So for this week, what do I expect price to do? We're still bullish. I'm still bullish on gold. I'm still expecting more bullishness on gold. So basically, I'm looking forward to having a pullback to the 1790 area before we continue higher. I'll still be bullish on gold because quite obviously we have a higher low and a higher high for the week. Let's look at the daily, what it looks like. Yeah, already on the daily time frame, we see that price is about doing that pullback, showing 2 days of rejection from this area. So basically looking forward to seeing price either come as low as on the daily time frame, might come as low as the 1747 area. But basically, I just want to see price retest this area, the 1780 area, and pull back into this area and retest the highs. If we can't get a break and close above this high, then we'll be looking forward to seeing price come to this 1747 area. So basically, let's see that reaction of price around this area, around the 1785, 1780 area. Whatever price does around here, if we have a bearish run, high momentum candle, I think they will be looking forward to coming in here straight away. But I believe price is going to react around here and go higher. But if we don't have the higher close above this high at the 1818 area, we'll see prices coming down to the 1747 handle. The next I'm looking at is the USD Canadian dollar pair. And for this pair, let's look at the weekly. For this pair, we had a fortnight ago, we had a very bearish candle. I was looking for to see price do a bit of retracement and continue downwards. But what we have here, we have a rejection of the uh, lows here, and price has given us what looks like a hammer here at this key level at 1.3535 area. So for Monday or for this new week, I was expecting prices to go up to retest the 1.37 handle. We could look at it clearly on the daily. We saw price do this and has come to retest this area and has not been able to break and close below this area. Instead, we've had a piercing candle. So I expect prices to go as far up as this 1.37 area. If we have a break and close, we might see price attempt to get to the 1.39 handle. If we have a break and close above the 1.3710 area, you can mark that on your chart. And we're looking for to see price go as far as the 1.39 handle. But basically, if we have a reaction, a reversal candle around here, then we will continue lower. Basically, we're going to continue low and we'll be going as low as the 1.3380 handle. I'm looking at the dollar yen pair. Yeah. For this pair, looking at the weekly time frame as usual. For this pair, on the weekly time frame, we have something that looks like a bearish engulfing. Prices retest this area and has shown us momentum to the downside. We have a bit of rejection of price around this area, but based on the momentum, I would just expect price to do a little bit of a little pullback and continue lower. Let's look at the daily time frame. Basically here, I'm expecting, like I said, yeah, we have a little bit of retracement to this, the 107 handle, and we'll look forward to seeing prices go a bit lower, as low as the 106.85 area. We could still go low as if we have a break and close above below these lows at the 106, yeah, but 85 area. You could see prices go as low as the 104.50 area. The last I'm looking at today is the Euro USD pair, and for this pair we've seen price. Let's look at the weekly. Price retested, went back upwards based on this lower high we go here. We saw price trying to go back up here. So basically what we have here, we see prices being rejected around the 1.1365 area. So we're expecting price to go down, and let's see how low we can go. Let's look at the daily time frame. Here we're expecting prices to go as low as the 1.1165 handle. Yeah, that would be my first take profit. If we say break and close below that, I'm looking at price getting to the 1.1100 handle. That would be my take for this pair this week. And so with that said, we've come to the end of our analysis and our forecast. Keep trading safely. use good money management principles with the forecasts. We put it out there. And if you care, you can join me. I look at price action on a daily basis. As I put out this, if price action gives us any reason to take a change of stance on a daily close basis, we do that. That said, that'll be that for now. Straight safely. Bye for now.